Hi, here is the Yashica Zoomate 165SE overall conditions. Okay, and here's the battery compartment. Using one CR123 battery, we just put it inside. And next thing, by pulling here to open the back cover. Inside will be like this, and here is the film compartment. We need to slide our film from the top to the bottom to this compartment to make sure that the center part of the film have fit into the motor. Okay. Then put the film in, the film tip pull under here, and make sure our film is flat like that. Then we just close it, and we'll start loading. Okay, when here show figure 1, which means that now we can start shooting. By click the on button, yeah, it's on. Then here's the zoom in, zoom out. Here's the shutter button, and here's the viewfinder. When you look into the viewfinder, you'll find out at the center point here, got a bracket. So you just use that bracket to aim whatever you want to focus and half press. Okay, if it's blinking like this, which means that it can't focus. So maybe we aim far a bit, and yeah, you see, it doesn't blink. Means that it's okay to shoot. Then we just click it. Then we move to the next frame. Here is the flash button. Now it's at auto mode, but now it's like red eye reduction. While I've tried before, it doesn't like have any difference lah. Off the flash, force flash, and auto. While I would recommend you just put it at fully auto will do. And here's the timer. But okay, also same. Half press it and click it. Okay, when here start blinking the red light, which means that the timer has start counting already. It took around 10 seconds like that to shoot. When it's almost there, it will blink faster. Yeah, like that. Next is selecting the mode. Now this is night mode, landscape, and macro. It will zoom to the max and allow you to shoot like clearer or something lah. But it's super hard to shoot because so far I've met so many macro model, but I think all cannot shoot like really close lah. Yeah. Okay. So next is the date function. And I try to just see whether I can or not. Click for a while. Oh yeah, click the select. Then yeah, we can adjust by this zoom down. Okay, just adjust by yourself to the date and the time you want. Okay, or you can change the format by yourself. Like this is off. This is the month, date, year. Date, month, year. Well, you also can adjust by yourself by clicking this. Now it's the 5th of July. Not sure got until 2025 or not. Yep, it is. So yeah, you can change it or you can off it. So when you should finish, it will auto rewind, so no worry in using, and hope you enjoyed.